This 2023 Grand Design Solitude 378 MBS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This new Grand Design is 40 feet 2 inches in length and features 4 slideouts, sleeps 7, Colorado detector, microwave, oven, auxiliary battery, skylight, air conditioning, stove top burner, refrigerator, awning, spare tire kit, and 93 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunkhouse, front bath, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-bunk, mid-kitchen, Murphy bed, rear dinette, rear entertainment, rear kitchen, rear living area, 2 bedrooms. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Solitude 378 MBS is 14,344 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.